Pack-em. In approximately 1 minute, Pack-em can increase up to double the capacity of your luggage. But we believe it's the best one. Pack-em isn't the first handheld vacuum compressor in the world, one-handed operation. Just plug it into the power source and you can start. Panel light indicates the function setting. There are 2 pump modes, Eco Mode and Super Mode. Eco Mode can be used for compressing food storage bags. With Super Mode, you can finish the compression process with our Pack-em bag in approximately 1 minute. Pack-em is an automatic vacuum with an intelligent design. You can just ignore Pack-em and do whatever you want once it starts. The Pack-em will stop automatically after it's done compressing. One little suggestion, don't plan on doing too much as you only have approximately 1 minute. We care about your experience. There are often times when you have shopped too much and do not have enough vacuum bags for storage. Therefore, we have provided the Padapter. The Padapter works with most other brands of vacuum bags. You won't have to worry about not having enough Pack-em bags to compress all your stuff. The intelligent design auto stop still functions when using Padapter. The Pack-em is a lifestyle vacuum rather than just a travel vacuum. Pack-em can actually pump in footballs, basketballs, beach balls. Our port uses M8 size, which is compatible with most of the inflatable accessories in the world. The Pack-em can do all that. The fabulous design needs brilliant supporters to make it happen. We hope our design is beneficial and makes your everyday life a lot easier. Pack-em can improve the quality of life and travel experiences. With Pack-em, you have control of your own space.
AirDeck 2.0, the ultimate travel playing cards. When traveling, you want to be as light and compact as possible. And you want reliable cards that won't break and that can be used in any environment. Following the success of AirDeck comes AirDeck 2.0. Based on the feedback from our community, we're offering 3 new designs: Classic, Warp Speed, and Astronauts playing cards. These decks have been designed from the ground up to be the perfect travel companions. They'll easily fit in your pocket, and they're made to be brought everywhere. The compact size means that you can use these cards in cramped environments, such as a plain tray table. They're also 100% waterproof and washable. With AirDeck 2.0, you can play on the beach, in the pool, virtually everywhere. While we wanted a compact and light design, we did not want to compromise on quality. In the process of making the AirDeck, we tested more than 50 different high-end materials from some of the world's top card manufacturers. We ended up with a casino quality PVC that handles just like you expect professional cards to do. While even the best paper cards tear and stain easily, the AirDeck is incredibly resilient to tearing and bending. A textured front and back makes the cards easy to grip. Each of the decks consists of 52 standard playing cards, 2 jokers, and come in a durable waterproof box. With this campaign, we're asking for your help to get our first batch of cards produced. As a bonus to everyone helping us out, we're offering free international shipping. We'll also plant trees with Worldview International to offset any carbon emitted from the production of the cards. A big warm thank you to everyone that backs our campaign. We hope you'll like our product as much as we do.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, have you by chance seen a silver carry-on luggage anywhere? I just had it a few seconds ago. I think someone took it.
Well, that's terrible news. Who would do such a thing?
Who knows?
Oh. Well, can you describe it for me? Maybe I can get security on this.
Sure. It's called a Sky Valet luggage. You can't miss it. It's got the logo right on top. It's got this wireless charger that pops out on the back. It charges your phone wirelessly. I was just using it.
Wow. Damn, that sounds amazing. I'm definitely making a note of that.
Yeah, it's world's first.
You know, as awesome as that is, I don't think security is going to be able to see that. Do you have a more visual description?
Right, yes. It has these jagged, wavy wheels called shark wheels. It allows the bag to cross over any kind of rough surface you can think of. tactile pavement, dirt, floor casings, you name it.
That is cool. These are fishy wheels?
Shark
Wheels. Got it. That was my bad, sorry.
It also has this magnetic front pocket that pops out at the touch of a button. I use it to put my laptop in there or anything that I need easy access to.
Interesting. Continue. Go on.
It has USB charging ports on the top so that you can charge any other device that you might have.
And what else?
And it has these zippers that interconnect into the bag on the top that you can lock via the SkyValet app.
That's great. Keep going.
And it's all powered by this portable battery, which you can then remove if it dies and you need to charge it. And I think that's it.
Wow. I have never heard of a more stealable bag. I mean, I would take this bag if I was into that kind of thing.
Thank you.
Yeah, if you could just take a seat around the corner, I've got everything that I need, and I'll get security tracking this right away.
Oh my God. How could I forget? It has GPS tracking. This thing can be located worldwide.
Oh, wow, that's awesome.
Yeah, it's this new feature that you can add, and this model has it. Thank God it does.
Reliable, is it?
Oh, yes, very.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. That's strange.
What's that?
It says it's right in front of me.
Oh, that's broken. That's not working.
Is that my bag?
Oh, look at that. It is a luggage, and it is similar to your luggage.
It says SkyValet on the top right there.
Okay, well, that's a snazzy logo. I don't know how this got here. It's quite a mystery to me.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. I'm just gonna hand this. There you go.
I'll have your job for this.
When form and function meet, incredible things happen. We see it all the time. A device looks good and works well, and all of a sudden, it dominates its market. Well, fashion is next, and we at Messrs are proud to lead the way. The travel jacket is, in a sense, a statement we're making, and we want that statement to come out loud and clear. You can look good and be prepared at the same time. It is possible. The travel jacket is a true confluence of convenience and appearance, featuring a multitude of pockets. This is a jacket that you can use to move about the world comfortably. Forget about backpacks and bulky bags. Using the travel jacket, which is available in both a field style and a utility style, you can keep everything you need to go about your life on your person. Currently, we're looking to raise some startup capital in order to bring the travel jackets to market. Retailing at $395, the travel jacket is available in limited quantities at highly discounted prices only here on Kickstarter. So act now while you can still save big. So travel on in style, in comfort, and ready for whatever may come with the Messrs travel jacket.
The Travel Bag Buddy was designed to attach and secure your bags quickly. The Travel Bag Buddy is a patent-pending RFID travel organizer and secondary bag strap. You first attach the adjustable Velcro panels around the handle. Next, place the bag on the support panel and fasten the strap with the buckle, giving you peace of mind and access to both hands if needed. The idea for the Travel Bag Buddy came to me from a real-world problem I think many of you can relate to. I was traveling with my fiancée and getting on the escalator she struggled, holding her luggage in one hand hand and her water in the other. Watching her, I knew there had to be a better way to both secure your luggage and easily access your items on the go, so your hands are free if you need them. The Travel Bag Buddy is strong, functional, easy to use, and provides secure access to your items while keeping them hidden when not in use. The main panels fold over, transforming the Travel Bag Buddy into a compact, RFID protected travel organizer, which packs flat and takes up almost no room in your purse, briefcase, or luggage. The Travel Bag Buddy is currently patent pending, the prototypes have been tested with travel around the world, and our manufacturing partners are lined up. I've backed many Kickstarter projects myself, and I'm excited to now launch my own. Unlike other bag straps, the Travel Bag Buddy is also a personal travel organizer. This makes traveling and going through airport security a breeze. The Travel Bag Buddy remains attached to your bag with your personal belongings, so you don't ever have to worry about leaving your phone, wallet, boarding pass, or other personal items behind. The Travel Bag Buddy is constructed from ballistic nylon, reinforced by high-density plastic, and RFID protected. The strap uses extra sturdy elastic webbing designed to carry heavy loads while retaining elasticity. When you get to your destination, the Travel Bag Buddy stores quickly. To fold up, you place it front side down, then click it and flip it. On the go, the Travel Bag Buddy gives you easy access to your phone, money, cards, and other belongings. When done, flip the front back to keep your items secure and hidden. It can also be used as a standalone travel organizer. Simply fold the straps in and place it around your suitcase handle. We cannot bring the Travel Bag Buddy to life without your help. We ask that you press the button and choose a reward you like. We have early bird discounts, stretch goals, and fun rewards for helping us bring the Travel Bag Buddy to life. The funds will be used for manufacturing the Travel Bag Buddy using only the highest quality materials and design. We believe in transparency and will provide updates every step of the way to our backers. We truly appreciate each and every backer. We now invite you to choose a reward and join the Travel Bag Buddy community.